things, CGC Chronos up a decent amount, but leading into this open here in the last 3 minutes, selling coming in. Name rocking on our watch list right now, it is Tilray. Now, here's the thing, guys. With Tilray, January 15th is the last day that you can hold it right before the lockup X. So we expect Tilray to be risk off or down, possibly quite a bit on the 16th. So we'll have to wait and see, but it's setting up for a prime breakout. I don't need much time in Tilray. Stop at 184. Spread is wide right now. Spread is wide. Oh, don't you do it. Don't you pop on me. It's keep an eye on TRVN too. That's also a name that's familiar to us. I know Nokia starting to wake up. I know, another name familiar. We could adjust that price to 194 revised price on BOXO.